So guys, back on the water. We just put the boat in. Carson went to park the truck, so just waiting on him. And we got this thing loaded down with tackle and poles, so if we can't catch a fish with what we got in the boat right now, something's wrong. There he is. Largemouth. Oh no. Oh, there he is. He come back and got it. Come here, buddy. Spotted bass. Open your mouth, boy. Woo-wee. I like it. Pretty. There he is. Come here, boy. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down.
You got two?
Do I got two? I caught two bass. Look at that. I caught. That's hilarious.
I heard you managed to do that.
Look at that. Two bass. All right, this is going to be rather difficult because these spots, they like to flop. Here, do me a favor. Just hold one by the lip where he won't flop and jab a hook into my hand. Or just grab that one. Just grab him. That way you don't, squeeze him that way you don't flop. I can get this thing out pretty easy. That's crazy. Missed spotted bass. Fat little jokers too. There he is. Look at that.
That thing out there is deadly. You got some kind of rigged up hooking system in there or something.
There he is. Little bitty one.
Well, I guess if we're going quantity over quality, you're kicking my ass. I'm not gonna do that.
Come on now. Quick release. There we go. That's the way I like it. Oh, there's a fish. On the spoon. Oh, and he gets off. He got in the boat though. Count it. Gotta count it. Largemouth. Well, that's gonna do it for today. I think I ended up with like 10 or 11, which ain't bad. We only fished for about 3 hours before it got super hot. So Carson only caught one, poor guy. But we fixing to load the boat up and get out of here. And I'll see you next time.